Okay, so let's go ahead and do the flap test here. Once again, I've got the key. I have it turned all the way, but not actually turned on. And I need to have this both set to 72. I need to have the autos on this. I need to push the rest and the recirculate at the same time. There we go. When you see low, what that basically means is it's closed. And when you see high, that means that it is open. Okay, so we can switch between open and closed just by pushing the auto here. Okay, and 0 is the flaps is basically saying it's like these are all the flaps. So all the flaps right now are closed according to this. And if I push this, all the flaps should be open. Okay, so this is how we're going to go ahead and test all this stuff. So let's go ahead and hit number 1. This is the left diverter flap. Okay, same thing. Low is closed, high is open.